Hi everyone, it's Sophia, one of the Chief Environment Officers. I'm on a mission to leave the car at home and take the train more on my weekend adventures. On my next train trip, I decided to go explore the gateway to the southwest, Bristol, or Bristol as it's also known. Bristol is proud of its green credentials, and rightly so. In 2021, it took the top spot as the greenest city in the UK. Think of a green-themed activity and you can do it all here, from paddleboarding on the River Avon, visiting one of the many incredible independent, sustainable and locally food-sourced cafes, to visiting one of the urban city farms or the Bristol Aquarium. Bristol is known as one of the most bike-friendly cities in the UK. If you want to see it on two wheels, the best option is to rent a bike and have a really good time. It's one of the most colourful cities to explore, with never-ending art decorating the walls, always an exhibition worth seeing, live music on every night, and over 400 gardens and parks to relax in. There's something incredibly special about Bristol which I highly recommend checking out for yourself. Hope to see you on a train soon.